I'm Gene Sullivan from Sullivan & Sullivan in Manhattan Beach. Sullivan & Sullivan handles catastrophic personal injury and wrongful death cases of every variety, from automobile accidents to death cases of any and all types. A recent case we had is called Box versus Tires Warehouse, Inc. And in that case, a big rig loaded with tires crashed into multiple vehicles on the roadway, causing catastrophic injuries to my client and others in the accident. In mediation, we had a day-in-the-life video which documented the problems that my client was having. At that time, she had a post-surgical infection, and she had a PICC line in her arm and up to her heart. And we were able to document and show how difficult that was for her to get around. That really helped us show what the day-to-day problems were, as opposed to just talking about them on a piece of paper. The animations in the Box case for the surgical procedures were some of the most powerful evidence that we had. We saw the jurors' mouths literally dropping open when they're showing this testimony that looks so real and really shows what's going on in a back surgery. You can talk about it and try to explain it to them, but there's nothing better than having the video playing while the doctor is testifying and showing you exactly what he did. The jury loves to watch video, whether it's similar to a TV or a movie. Once that comes on, the lights go down in the courtroom, they're completely focused on that. It's super powerful, it's emotional. There's no spin from a lawyer on it, and what you see is what you get. So it's powerful, powerful testimony for the case, and the jurors really connect with what's going on in the video. The verdict in the Box case was, with costs, is going to be about 1.25 million. The defense asked the jury to award about $45,000. It was a toughly litigated matter, and so we were battling all the way to the very end. Everybody at MotionLit is super professional. I saw, for example, in this last trial, the difference between MotionLit and the guys on the other side, that they can't find documents, they're not ready, they don't know where things are, and they're asking the MotionLit guys, hey, can you help us find this document? And boom, they have it. Vahe and Vache are like brothers. They're the best. I practice with my brother. I love that those guys are brothers practicing together, so I understand the bond and how much their company and their business means to them, and the passion that they put into it. And they bring that to every case that you work with them on. And I can't wait to call them up and talk to them about a new case and hear what's going on with them and get their insight and everything. And then it translates from the top to everybody on their team. They're just the best. They're there for you. I know that when I have MotionLit from the beginning of a case, working it, we're going to be ready when it comes time for trial, because those guys are going to help us get ready with their wealth of wisdom and experience, and showing how to present even a simple case, a rear-end automobile collision, to a super complicated multi-vehicle accident like this case was, helping you present all those technical aspects to a jury and bring the case to life in a courtroom for the jury.